something now and then later as well?
I think I'll just say it. I just want to first of all thank Z. They're calling me a judge, but I don't think of myself like that. I'm just going to come for 2 episodes on this show as a friend to all the contestants.
Bollywood buddy. That's how I introduced you.
I'll try and be nice. I was in their place 2 years ago when I auditioned for my film, and I managed to do 3-4 films after that. I hope that somebody, or at least a few from all these contestants, all get films and do very well in their life. I'm just going to try and be the nice one because we've told Victor sir to be the bad one. Anyway, I hope you guys have fun.
So we have a little more of Paraniti a little later in the evening. And finally, a very young and talented actor who has done the entire journey from, being an RJ to
It was the spring of 2003 when I auditioned for Zee Cine Stars Ki Coach Season 1. And I was rejected. I was rejected in the real round. I'm a reject from the show, so it's quite surreal that I'm on the panel as a friend, as a Bollywood buddy this time. And in 2003, I remember I was this nerdy looking guy with specs, thin, not 6 feet tall, conventional hero. And the rest of the guys, top 10 in Chandigarh, was 6 feet plus. It was the average height of Chandigarh men, 4 inches, at least 4 inches more than normal blokes across the country. So that was starting 10 years back, but now the times have changed. I think this is the golden era of Indian cinema. We have gone beyond nepotism, and this is the time anybody with a decent amount of talent can be there, be an actor, doors are open, and I think I've said this umpteen times that this is the golden era of Indian cinema. Anybody can be an actor. And I think success is when preparation meets opportunity, and there's no dearth of preparation made by young talented actors across the length and breadth of the country. They just need that opportunity, just given by this particular show, Cine Stars Ki Coach. Thank you. It's a pleasure being part of this service.
A quick look at some of the audition talent from India's Best Cine Stars Ki Coach. The latest.
Such a man's. We'll get the mic to you. Let's start right away. Ranjini. Yes, please.
I have a question for you. You said that you got rejected in the year 2003 in Zee Cine Stars Ki Coach. So what was the reason behind it?
I have no idea. I think this is the age of unconventionals, and I have no idea. I think this is the age of unconventionals, and I'm quite unconventional. I think, but that time when I was in teens, I was 19 that time. I think 2004. I was this unconventional guy out of these 10 people, as I mentioned, that I was not a 6 feet tall conventional hero that time. And I was hardly given a chance to speak because I just looked odd in the company of 10 tall, model-looking guys from Chandigarh.
Maybe you didn't have a great judge yet.
Yeah. So did you ever
You
thought?
won this, aap bhi de wah pe.
So did you ever thought that one day you will mentor all the contestants?
Not at all. I don't expect much from life, but this is quite surreal for me. Coming on the same show as a mentor or as a friend, as a guide, where I was rejected in the regional round.
Thank you.
About 2 things I wanted to know. One, is it called this reality? What reality?
Can you repeat that,
This
please?
show, this particular aspect is called a reality show.
There is a non-fiction reality show, yes. What's the question?
That's it. I mean, reality is based on what? Normally, reality shows are reality shows, or they are directed and they are.
Who is this question addressed to?
It's a general question.
Yeah, so I'll just take that very quickly. Reality show is actually a term that's been coined by the media, not by the makers. The makers always call these shows as non-fiction shows. They are actually talent hunts. So we don't call them reality shows. Reality show is a loose term that has been coined by the media, and maybe it's percolated down to the audience. But in a sense, it works because the shows represent reality. None of this is engineered. None of this is scripted or directed. So these are unscripted shows, if one can define that further.
Thank you, sir. That is what I expected, and I think it is part reality and part, of course, is scripted. The next is what would happen after the final selection? How far, where, and what will these winners do?
Yeah, so we have a so typically the winners of Cinestars are supported by Zee in their endeavor to becoming movie stars or at least getting an exposure into the film industry. We do have plans regarding film projects for the winners, but those plans will be announced a few weeks from now.
Hi, so the question is to the Zee team here. I remember one edition of Cinestars at least. Can there be some clarity? Did you have one season before this, or was there
two
more?
seasons, 2004 and 2006.
Okay,
Yeah, 2 seasons.
The next question.
Hello.
The guy in red.
Hello, Amita ji. Good evening. मैं मनोज कुमार साहू, रायपुर, छत्तीसगढ़ से, भारत देश. सर आपसे एक क्वेश्चन था कि सीजन 1 जो इसका जो फर्स्ट जो हुआ सीरीज स्टार में, उसमें सर्वर आहूजा और जो अदिति शर्मा थी, उनका जो अगर कैरियर अगर देखा जाए तो क्या बोलते हैं, अदिति शर्मा तो खैर अभी कैरेक्टर रोल अभी कर रही है. उसके बाद सर्वर आहूजा जो है वो धारावाहिक में 1-2 एपिसोड में आने के बाद वो भी मतलब गुमसा हो गए. तो अभी सीजन 2 में किस प्रकार से मतलब आगे और कितना परफॉर्मेंस दे पाएंगे, और सीजन 2 कहाँ तक प्रतिभागियों के लिए बेस्ट होगा?
लाइट कम किया.
देखिए पिछले सीजन में क्या हुआ उसके बारे में ये सब मेरे लिए भी उतनी खबरें जितनी शायद आपके पास. मुझे लगता है कि आज हम जिस शो की बातें कर रहे हैं, उम्मीद ये है कि जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि कुछ एक अनाउंसमेंट होगी. मुझे लगता है कि हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि देश में टैलेंट बहुत है और शायद वो हम तक पहुंचता देर में है या उसको जरिया नहीं मिलता. तो उम्मीद ये है कि इस शो की वजह से कुछ ऐसी चीजें जिससे जो हमें देखने को मिलेंगी, शायद हम उससे कुछ सीखेंगे. उसका करियर कैसा बनेगा, क्या बनेगा, ये तो मेरे ख्याल से वक्त ही बताएगा.
वो माइक लेके बीच में डालो यार.
या नमित आपके सामने, लेफ्ट टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. नमित, इस शो का असल मोटिव क्या है? किस किस्म के कलाकारों को एक मुकम्मल मंच मतलब प्रदान करना है? और इसके बाद सवाल होगा विजय कृष्ण जी से. विक्टर, आपने क्या महसूस किया है कि जितना टैलेंट है उतना कंज्यूम करने की कैपेसिटी है इंडस्ट्री में, या फिर डिमांड एंड सप्लाई का मतलब एकदम उसकी खाई बहुत ज्यादा गहरी है?
आपका जो ये सवाल को पुट अप करने का तरीका बहुत अच्छा है. मैं ये मानता हूँ कि देखिए इस किस्म का टैलेंट ये डिफाइनेबल टैलेंट नहीं. कोई गाना गाता है तो आप बोल सकते हैं यार ये अच्छा गाना गाता है, ये अच्छा गाना नहीं गाता. एक्टिंग एक ऐसी चीज है, ये रिएक्शन पे डिपेंडेंट है, ये आपके अपने जाती एक्सपीरियंसेस पे डिपेंडेंट है. तो मुझे लगता है कि टैलेंट की तो हमेशा कमी होगी. टैलेंट हमेशा आदमी ढूंढता है कि अरे कोई अच्छा एक्टर मिले, कोई अच्छा कैरेक्टर मिले. आप जिस तरह की हम नई फिल्में देख रहे हैं, मुझे लगता है कि टैलेंट अच्छा होगा तो उसको खपने में तकलीफ नहीं आएगी. कितना वक्त लगेगा, वो कितनी क्योंकि ये मैथ, इसकी एक गणित बनाना मुश्किल होगा. मुझे लगता है कि इस तरह की चीजें जब तक ये एक्सपेरिमेंट थोड़ा सा सफल ना हो और दुनिया के सामने एक अच्छे रूप में ना आए, तब तक हम इस सवाल का कोई कॉन्क्रीट जवाब देना आज मुश्किल है. लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कोई भी आदमी जिसके पास टैलेंट है और जो ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म पे आएगा, उम्मीद है कि हम उसको पहचान पाएंगे. और उम्मीद ये है कि उसको फिल्मों में, टेलीविजन में कहीं ना कहीं एक स्टार जो आप ढूंढ रहे हैं, आप स्टार एक्टर भी होता है और स्टार्स वो भी होते हैं जिनको देखने के लिए आप पहले दिन टिकट खरीद के फिल्मों में जाते हैं. तो आई थिंक वी शुड ट्राई एंड फाइंड अ गुड टैलेंट पूल ऑफ एक्टर्स एंड होपफुली दे विल फाइंड देयर प्लेस.
अगर मैं हाइपोथेटिकली पूछूं कि मतलब धूम 3 फैंस है,
I think Dhoom will always, from this point on, Dhoom will always require an actor of a certain standing. I think even even in Dhoom 2, I think Hrithik, Abhishek, I think they're very, very fine actors. लेकिन जब भी हम इस किस्म की फिल्म की बात करते हैं, conventional and unconventional, I think, are things which also change with time. Hopefully, by the time the next Dhoom comes, maybe it will be very unconventional. Who knows?
And yours, Namit, yeah. What is या क्या कुछ?
मोटिव ये है कि टैलेंट निकालना है और होपफुली उन्हें सिनेस्टार बनाना है. मोटिव ये है और टैलेंट की कोई शक्ल या शेप नहीं होती है डिफाइंड. टैलेंट comes in many shapes and sizes, like Victor just said that what is conventional, what is unconventional can change every day. So 10 years ago, what was not acceptable to a talent show is loved and appreciated by the film industry today and the audience. Therefore, it's important to see the show from that point of view. Is that we are here to appreciate and celebrate whatever type of acting talent is available in the country right now and shape it and help give it a certain future. That's the job of the show.
I'm Jyoti Venkatesh here. Hard way, as you said, without belonging to Bollywood, you belong to Bollywood now. Would you advocate newcomers Jojo Aate is show me for the test to go through a crash course in PR also, since you